welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
Thanks, Scotty. Hi everyone. This is my 2005 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. I've owned this vehicle for about 5 years now. I bought it from a high school girl when it was completely stock. Some of the extra modifications that I have done to this Jeep personally. To start off with, I have onboard air, which is a little compressor that sits under my hood to air up my tires after I'm done with the trail. Currently those tires are sitting at 14 psi. When I get done, I'll air them back up to 32 psi before I go home. Also, I have an anti-rock sway bar, 3-inch suspension lift, 1-inch body lift, 1-inch motor mount lift, 1-ton style steering and track bars, upgraded rock sliders on the sides, engine and transmission belly up skid plate, upgraded rear drive shaft, upgraded control arms, all 8 of them. They're all fully adjustable. And then these 35-inch KO2 tires that I have on this rig currently, and I love them. I also have plans to do many more modifications in the future. There's an article on fourwheeler.com, the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon story, nearly canceled article from July 1st, 2009. I'll put a link to that article at the bottom of the screen. To sum up the article, some Chrysler engineers at the Jeep plants wanted to show off the off-roading community that they could make a serious off-roading vehicle straight from the factory. Jeep executives go on a weekend getaway to the Rubicon Trail in California every year. Excited about the new Wrangler TJ, the engineers sneak in a 4-to-1 transfer case one year and front and rear locking differentials the next year. The executives loved these two TJs, saying the trail seemed easier with them. The engineers convinced the executives to build the Rubicon model for the new Wrangler. Starting in 2003, these Wranglers came equipped with front and rear Dana 44 axles with differential lockers, 31-inch mud tires, rock rails, rear disc brakes, 4-to-1 transfer case, different shocks, and a sticker on the hood so everyone would know that you have the most capable factory off-road vehicle ever made.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.